Hi everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an exterior of a log cabin on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding a roof to my building. Whilst in the 2D ceiling plan mode, I'm sizing it to the building and then I'm going to the 3D mode and applying the free movement tool and moving it into position. I'm now using the catalogue to change the texture of the outside of my cabin. I'm applying the wood texture and then using the panel on the right to change the plank size. I can then repeat this around the cabin. I am now adding doors and windows from the catalogue and changing the texture to a dark wood. I can use the clone tool to place the windows around the building. I now want to add a porch. I'm using one from the catalogue and resizing it to fit my building. Again, I'm changing the texture to suit my design. Now I'm going to use the Create New Product tool to draw a rectangle. When I've created the basic shape, I'm clicking Done in the top left. I can then resize the shape and apply a grass texture to make it my ground space. I'm now adding trees from the catalogue. I'm inserting some trees and then using the Command button on my keyboard and selecting them and grouping them together. I can then clone them in a group to make it easier and quicker to add more items to my design. Next, I'm using a pergola from the catalogue to create my porch. I'm resizing and changing the texture to fit the design. I'm then adding some chairs and lamps to the space. I'm also adding a hammock and reading area at the back of the cabin. I'm adding a wood side table and resizing, and then finishing with a magazine. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can amend the lighting, external environment and sun at this point. To get a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of the screen. The render will appear on the right. If you're happy, click the Take Render button, again the middle bottom. Choose the 4K render for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.